Which animal is on the coat of arms of the German capital? It's a bear. In one of the previous episodes, we mentioned how the Greek word for bear is arctos, and in Latin it's ursus. So why is bear so different in English? And it's not just English, it's also Danish, German, Dutch, Norwegian, Swedish, you get the point. They're all Germanic languages, but more importantly, they're in the north of Europe, where you can actually encounter a bear and he's dangerous. That's why hunters didn't want to name the animal directly, so they came up with a euphemism, the brown one, the brown animal. That's what bear actually means. And there was no need for this word assuaging in the south, in the Mediterranean, correct? Also, interesting thing, the Slavs also did the same thing. Like their word medved or medved means the one who eats honey.